In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a shortcut to Microsoft Edge on your desktop. If you frequently use Microsoft Edge and want quick access to it without having to hunt through your start menu each time, then creating a desktop shortcut is a handy solution. It's as easy as pie, and in just a few simple steps you'll have quick access to Edge with just a double click. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to click on the Start button. If you're not familiar with it, that's the button located at the bottom left corner of your screen, typically marked by the Windows logo. Clicking this button will open up the Start menu, which is essentially your gateway to all the applications and features available on your computer. Once you have your Start menu open, you might be wondering where to find Edge. Well, there are two ways you can go about this. You can either click on All Apps to see a complete list of all the applications installed on your computer, or you can simply scroll through the apps list, which is typically arranged alphabetically. We're on the lookout for Microsoft Edge here, so keep an eye out for it as you scroll down through the list. When you find Microsoft Edge in the list, you'll need to do a left click on it, but don't release the mouse button just yet. This next part is crucial. You're going to hold down the mouse button and drag the Edge icon from the Start menu over to your desktop. As you're dragging, you should see an outline of the icon moving with your pointer, indicating where it's going to land when you release the button. Once you have Microsoft Edge where you want it on your desktop, simply release the mouse button. Doing this creates the shortcut directly on your desktop. You'll notice the Edge icon popping up right there alongside any other shortcuts or files you may have. And just like that, you've successfully created a shortcut to Microsoft Edge on your desktop. From now on, whenever you want to browse with Edge, just double click the new icon and you'll be taken straight to the browser. This little shortcut trick is a great way to save time and streamline your computer experience. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. It's these small adjustments that can make using your PC a bit more convenient and efficient. If you have any other tech related questions or need more tips, do feel free to stick around our channel for more helpful content. Thank you for watching and happy browsing with your new shortcut.